Here we've got the the dealer optional spoiler for the 2019 Corolla Hatchback. I will be installing this today. It came with no instructions and no drilling template. So I've done these in the past. In fact, I honestly used to do these for a living. Usually there's a paper template that you set on top of here. And you'll set the paper template on their center punch where you need to drill holes and then drill them. This one didn't come with one. So hopefully this piece is removable, I believe. So I'm hoping that when you pop this off, there's spots to drill it on the inside. Otherwise, it's going to be really interesting trying to figure out where to drill these holes. The first thing we got to do is start popping this cover off on the inside. Modern cars are put together like Legos, have been for a while now, so you just start yanking, things will come apart for you. Try and figure out which layer went on first. Like I said, it didn't come with any instructions. There we go. There we go. Yeah, see, I just got these nice red clips and they just pop in. So it really is just like Legos. Put that somewhere safe. And we can work our way down to the next layer. There we go. This one popped off even easier. It's got a wiring harness in it, so we're going to need to undo that. There we go. At this point I've realized that I can't drill from the inside, so I've set the spoiler on top a couple of times and marked the spots, and I drill one hole at a time. I drill the right hole because that was the first spot it marked. Then I put the spoiler back on and I mark the left hole and I drill that one.
This one is a little bit off.
I think I'm wearing the right shirt for this. And when I got both the holes on the sides done, I put it back on and I smack it a couple of times in the middle to get the screws to mark their holes, and then I drill them. I used a unibit to drill these holes. That was the wrong tool for such thick plastic. It works on sheet metal, but it doesn't work so well on plastic. Use a 10mm drill bit. That's the right size. Okay, made some marks for those.
Yep, you can definitely tell not to put that.
There, now I just need to wipe it down with rubbing alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. I actually only mixed this to 50% when I did this for a living, because the 99% will leave residue for some reason. Alright. This is all double-sided tape here, so we're going to peel this off. Oh, that's fancy. It comes with easy to remove tabs. Line that one up. So while I couldn't get this cover off and drill it from the inside like I'd hoped, they just didn't mark any spots to do that. So, like I showed you, just kind of set it in place. Make really sure it's in the right spot, and just push it down. And you're gonna have to put some force from above to get the glue to set, or the glue to make contact. And you don't want to wait too long to do that, or it won't stick at all. Here are the end result pictures. Turned out pretty well. It was really stressful drilling into a brand new car, but you take your time and make sure everything's lined up, and it works out just fine. Click like and subscribe, and make sure you share this with others. Thank you.